5 steps. Just 5 steps are required to transform your public speaking skills. Hey there, I am Susmita and today I am going to share you 5 research driven strategies that will help you to transform your public speaking skills and leave a lasting impact on your audience. It is a well known fact that fluency is the key to engaging your audience, but it's all about practice. Paul Nation and Jonathan Newton's research shows that the more you practice, the smoother you'll speak. Here's the roadmap to improve your fluency. Firstly, learn the most common words and phrases. This will help you speak effectively and precisely. Then, try to listen something and try to speak it for 1 to 2 minutes without stopping every step. This builds spontaneous thinking and brings coherence in words and thoughts. By the way, do you know that Hitler also practiced before talking to an audience? Ah, but don't worry, you don't need to practice like a Hitler. What you need to do is practice every day with your friends, family, and peers. Initially, it will feel awkward, but eventually, you'll see the impact. Well, before you start practicing, here's the caution. Don't aim for perfection. Focus on getting your message across, not on making no mistakes. So, what are the takeaways? Focus on practice, speak slow, and don't fear of mistake. It is the part of process. So, moving to the next section, eye contact. Eye contact is crucial for building trust and connection with your audience. Public speaking can be intimidating, but eye contact help you to feel more confident and calm. So here are super simple way to use it effectively. Start with soft and steady eye contact. Research shows that making gentle eye contact activates your body's calming system and reduces anxiety. Instead of focusing on entire room, focus on one person at a time for 3 to 4 seconds. This will help you feel more connected. Eye contact increases your trustworthiness and persuades your audience. As you speak, try to make eye contact with different people in the room, keeping it natural, not overly intense. Otherwise, प्यार हो जाएगा. Remember, eye contact is not just about looking. It's about connecting. It calms you, builds trust, helps you to communicate more effectively. So try it out next time you speak. Let's move to the next section, body language. Your body language speaks volumes. You can use your body language to calm your nerves and appear more confident. Here's how. Stand tall with power poses. Research shows that standing with shoulders back and hands on hip can actually reduce your anxiety and boost your confidence. Keeping your arm closed can actually make you look nervous and anxious. Instead of that, use open and natural hand gestures. This will look you appear more confident and approachable. Also, instead of standing still, try to move with intention and purpose. Walking slowly while speaking can make you appear more confident and in control. So if you'll focus on your body language by standing tall, using open gestures, moving intentionally, you will look more confident and you can connect effectively with your audience. Moving to the next section, facial expressions and voice modulation. Facial expression and voice modulation are the foundation upon which the entire communication process gets built. You can consider following steps to enhance your facial expressions and voice modulation. Smile and stay relaxed. Smiling and using natural facial expressions makes you look more approachable and it builds rapport with your audience. Use voice modulations. Varying your tone and speed can help you to keep your audience engaged. Study shows that speaking slowly and taking pauses helps you to feel more in control and calm. Remember, your voice modulation and facial expression can either enhance or detract the audience from your message. So now moving to the last section, presentation. An effective presentation ties everything together seamlessly. Here's how to make it impactful. Structure your content. Organize your content into clear, digestible sections. This makes your delivery more systematic and well structured, which retains the attention of the audience. Focus on your message, not on yourself. Shift your focus from being self conscious to emphasizing the value of your message. This reduces performance anxiety and helps you to connect more effectively with your audience. And lastly, practice, practice, and practice. Regular rehearsal is essential. It not only makes you familiar with your material, but it also boosts your confidence and reduces your nervousness. Public speaking doesn't have to be intimidating. It's all about mastering few key techniques. So by focusing on this area, we can reduce performance anxiety and build our self-confidence. Keep challenging yourself, stay consistent, embrace every opportunity to grow. Remember, you're not just speaking, you are connecting, influencing, and inspiring others. So, are you ready to elevate your public speaking skills? Let's do it.